Okay, so today we're going to talk about definite versus indefinite articles in Spanish and in English. So definite articles in English, the way that you can kind of decide if it's definite or not, would be the difference between these two sentences here. There's I want a cookie versus I want the cookie. The difference between these two sentences is when you say I want a cookie, it could be really any kind. You're saying you want a cookie in general. If you're saying I want the cookie, you're talking about a specific kind. And that's definite, and then a cookie would be indefinite. Right. So one sentence below is talking about a definite or specific cookie, whereas the other one is talking about a cookie in general. Definite articles in English, we only have one, and it is the word the. In Spanish, there are 4 ways to say the word the. So our definite articles are el, la, los, and las. These depend on whether your noun is masculine or feminine, or if it is singular or plural. Definite articles in Spanish. Can you guess which definite article is going to go with each of these words? El chico. El chico. Why is it el? Because chico is a boy, which is masculine, and it's singular. You're only talking about one boy. So el chico, the boy. La chica. La chica, the girl. Chica is the word for girl, and you know that because it ends with an A, and you're only talking about one. So you have your singular, feminine, definite article, la. Los chicos. Los chicos. Chicos is masculine because it ends in an O, and it is plural. So, los. You need your masculine plural article. And last one, las chicas. The girls. You know it's feminine because it ends with an A, and plural because of the S. So, you find your plural feminine article, las. Las chicas. I want a cookie uses the indefinite article a. I want a cookie, because it doesn't really specify which cookie you want. Same thing with I want a car versus I want the car. The car is definite, specific. You're talking about one specific car. A car is saying I want a car. It doesn't matter what kind, generally. Indefinite articles in English are a, an, and some. In Spanish, they're un, una, unos, and unas. So just like the definite articles in Spanish, these ones correspond with whether the noun is masculine or feminine. And if it's singular or plural. Which indefinite article would go with these nouns? First we have gatos, or cats. Unos gatos, some cats. So, you know that you need the plural of your indefinite articles, which is either unos or unas. And since it is masculine, because it ends with an O, you're going to pick unos. So, some cats. Pablos. Unos, Pablos. Same thing. Ends in an O and an S. So, unos ends in an O and an S as well. Valentinas. Unas Valentinas. So it ends with an S, so you know it's plural, and it ends with an A, so you need the feminine one compared to the masculine one. So unas Valentinas, or some Valentinas. Comida, una comida, some food. Una comida. So this one's confusing, but comida just means food. You wouldn't say a food, you would say some. But your article is singular and feminine, because it corresponds with comida, which is singular and feminine. Unos abuelos, some grandparents. Some grandparents. So abuelos ends with an O and an S, so unos will end with an O and an S as well. Padres. Unos padres. Unos padres. Padres meaning parents, so it's masculine, and you're talking about more than one, so you need your masculine, plural, indefinite article here. And un dinero, some money. Un dinero. Un being your article, singular, masculine, just like dinero, which is singular and masculine. Okay, so if you wanted to say, I need some pencils. I need some pencils. Yo necesito blank lápices. Yo necesito blank lápices. So for these, think about them on your own. Guess what article you're going to need here. Whether it's definite or indefinite, and if it's singular or plural, masculine or feminine. So guess on your own what article you need, and then on the next slide here, I'll show you the answers. I need the pencil. I need the pencil. Yo necesito blank lápiz. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. Yo necesito blank lápiz. So also remember that lápiz is a masculine noun. It's masculine. So I need some pencils. Yo necesito unos lápices. Unos because lápiz is masculine, so you need the masculine article. You're replacing the word some. So the word for some is unos because it's indefinite, and it's plural because you're talking about more than one pencil. So yo necesito unos lápices. I need the pencil. Yo necesito el lápiz. So the means that you're looking for a definite article, which is el, la, los, or las. You're only talking about one pencil, and it is masculine, so that leaves you just with el lápiz. And lastly, I need a pencil. Yo necesito un lápiz. Un lápiz. You're replacing the word a, which is an indefinite article, so that leaves un, una, unos, and unas. So since lápiz is masculine and since it is singular, that leaves you with un.